The benefits of additive manufacturing in the medical sector go beyond just being able to print a 3D model. Using Stratasys' PolyJet technology, we're able to bring hyperrealism into the surgical room, mixing different materials which allow to bring a hyperrealistic visual aspect as well as biomechanical properties to models which replicate human bones, tissue, organs, and fat, thus allowing surgeons to be able to practice prior to entering the surgical room and ensuring that the result of the surgery is as best as possible. This technology is available today in Spain through Excelente Tech's portfolio.
Robotic surgery combines precision and advanced technology to provide patients with minimally invasive procedures, fast recovery, and a new area of safety and efficiency in healthcare.